Hi friends, it's Mrs. Zussman. Today we're talking about apples. First we're going to sort them by colors. This apple is a red apple. Which paper would we choose? The yellow one, the red one, or the green one? It fits best in the red one. This green one is mostly green, but it has a little bit of yellow, so it would probably go best in the green one because it's mostly green. Now this one is a fun one. It's red and it's yellow, so it could go in between both. And it's okay if the apples don't go in one certain color, as long as it goes in between. And it's fun to sort. Now we're going to cut open our apples. For this, you're going to need a parent because we need to use a sharp knife. So for our parent, we're going to have a sharp knife and we're going to cut it in half this way. Watch your fingers. And if you look inside, you see the seeds. And the mom or dad or another grown-up will take the seeds out. Do you hear them plopping on the plate? That's a really awesome sound. And if you look inside, you will see a star shape. Because when you cut an apple this way, it makes stars, which are really cool. And then we'll cut another apple this way and see if it's different. Again, make sure an adult's with you. And this apple makes more of a heart shape inside. So when you cut one way, it makes a star. When you cut the other way, it makes a heart. If you have paint at home or a stamp pad, you can put ink on them and then stamp them and make a design. You can do that with this one and make a design. But the best thing you can do with an apple is have an adult cut you a piece and enjoy. Bye, friends.